Hello, and thank you so much for serving on this Sunday, August 20th, 2023. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what to expect this week. I am back this week, so all the materials are back in their normal spots. In case if you were here the last 2 weeks, they were in a different place, but they're back to their normal bins. So this week is August 20th, so it's just wrapping up the memory verse. So you're just writing down Revelation 21:3. You're going to write that at the bottom of the memory verse in both the downstairs classroom and the upstairs classrooms. The song for this week before that is Good, Good Father. So pull up the YouTube app and search for it and you will find it. At that point after the song, it will be time to switch and go upstairs. If you go upstairs, please make sure to remember to bring your cell phones with the volume on so that you can hear the notification when it is time to bring the kids back downstairs. So memory verse, you're just adding the verse this week and then doing prayer time with them. And then following that, we are doing a back to school lesson. We're going to focus on prayer and Thanksgiving and just really entering this school year with a heart for Christ. One that is just really focused on the gospel. And because it's so easy to go one way or the other, and just really focusing on loving those that are around them, but also living their life up to the standards that Christ set for us. So they're going to be looking, there's no story to go with this week. They're going to look up this verse. So please take your time with this one. Philippians 4:4-7. If you are downstairs, you're going to give them a lot more guidance. Upstairs, they can look it up. You might have to help them locate it, but take your time with that. And then they're going to read it independently and then read it together as a whole group. And then take your time with the follow-up questions. There is a paragraph here at the beginning to kind of introduce the point of why we were studying those verses and kind of walking through those verses together, and then end it by going through the memory verse together one more time. The craft for this week is to be making bookmarks. We thought that this would be great for them to use at school. They can take it to school with them. And they can make these bookmarks to have visual reminders of verses that give them peace. So what we have here are just plain bookmarks. They're going to trim around the outside and use a hole puncher to hole punch in the middle. They have strings. I think they can use up to 3 strings that they can pull through. And then there's stickers, all kinds of stickers that they can decorate. And then there is the verse that we studied together that I typed up and printed out that they can cut and glue somewhere on the bookmark. And then they can add other verses that bring them peace. A lot of our kiddos, as they're re-entering the classroom this year, hopefully this will be a way for them to help center them, bring them back to Christ if they're having moments where they are just feeling uncentered, or maybe have anxiety or fear, just to remember who their identity is in, so that no matter what environment they're in, they are fully loved and fully known by God. So I'm going to show you how to do the string on the bookmarks, and then that should be it. Okay, so to do this, what they're going to do is they're going to fold their string over in half like that, and they're going to take that middle point and pull it through the hole on the bookmark. And when they pull it through, pull the loop up, and then take the 2 pieces and kind of pull it through and tighten it, and it will stay there. And this is just one, but they can do up to 3 to make it fluffier, add some more color. And they do want to trim. I didn't take the time to trim to show you how to do the strings, but so they're just going to take that middle point, pull it through so the loop is at the top, and then take the other 2 strings and kind of go through the loop and then pull to tighten. And that's it. They're going to make that craft in both classrooms today, downstairs and upstairs. And when you get the text that it's time to come downstairs, it's time to return back downstairs, and then that is it. So I thank you guys so much for serving today. We will see you on Sunday.